trial really has brought the debate over national immigration into Milwaukee's own backyard.
Andrew Amuzu is live outside the federal courthouse where advocates are gathering in support of Judge Dugan tonight. Andrew.
Yeah, that's right. They're right at the footsteps of the federal government building right out here, and they're calling it an interfaith gathering. Now, they're slated to be here until 5:30, but because it's so cold, I think they're starting to wrap up right now. It's one of two planned demonstrations expected so far, with the other one happening on Monday for day one of the trial. Organizers of the event include immigration rights organization Voces de la Frontera. They tell me their focus is to spread the message of justice. Other participants say it's about making sure everyone is safe in the community.
It's really important to me that some of these places be like free of fear. Like if we need to come and testify in a court, we should do that free of fear. And if we need to go to a school, we should do that free of fear. If we want to go to church, we should do that free of fear.
Now, we haven't seen any organized protests against Judge Dugan tonight, but Milwaukee County Republican Party Chairman Eladio De Leon sent me a statement regarding the case, and he wrote, in part, "No individual, regardless of title, position, or political connections, is above the law." We'll continue to stay out here as we keep an eye on what's going on right outside the federal courthouse. But for now, reporting in Milwaukee, Andrew Amuzu, FOX 6 News.
Andrew, thank you. It's been more than 7 months now since the accusations were made against Judge Hannah Dugan, and still tonight, the Milwaukee County Courthouse does not have a formal policy on the books for exactly how judges should interact with ICE. Defense attorney Julius Kim joined us on the Wisconsin Live Desk earlier today. He answered a lot of questions, including one on this, and here's his take on that.
Even right now, as we speak, right now, after this entire incident, Milwaukee County still doesn't have a specific protocol in place, an official protocol in place as to how judges should deal with ICE being in the courthouses and arresting people. There is a draft of policy and procedures that the Milwaukee County court system may adopt, but it's been a long time, and I'm not sure that's going to be coming anytime soon, quite frankly. But it's tough. This is why we're here today, because I think a lot of these judges were left to try and use their best judgment, given their limited knowledge of how the laws work, the difference between these administrative warrants and these judicial warrants, and the bearing on what they can what ICE agents can actually do, given the type of warrants that are available, or that are out there, or are being executed. This is confusing stuff even for judges, even for lawyers. And so because it's confusing because we've never been in this situation before. This is the first time that an administration has cracked down so hard on immigration. And so now we're wading into foreign territory here, and that's where all of these rules are kind of being tested. So there is no official guidance, as far as I know, to the judges in terms of how to in terms of how to behave when ICE agents are within the courthouse to arrest people. But that's part of why this case is so important, because I think that it's going to provide a little bit better guidance to the rule makers as to what the parameters are going to be in terms of where ICE agents can go to arrest people.